is before the cut, now after. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Umar the Barber, and today I'll be doing mid-fade pompadour. What I'm doing here is sectioning the hair so it's easier for me to cut. Here I'm going with number 3 all the way open and stopping at the palatal ridge. I usually use number 3 guard first to remove all the bulk and then go with other guards as I need it. Here I'm cleaning his beard so that it's easier for me to cut later on. Here I have number 3 guard all the way open and I'm going with the grain. I didn't want it to cut this hair, so I'm using clip to part apart. Make sure you go all around with lever all the way open number 3 and stop at the palatal ridge. Here I'm using lever all the way closed to make that first guideline and also using it to blend the beard. Once you're done with that first guideline, you want to go about ½ an inch with lever all the way open. What I'm doing here is blending the first line, and what you want to do is close lever as you go down. Here I'm with number 1 lever all the way open and making that second guideline. Once you make that line with lever all the way open, what you want to do is close all the way and go over again, but not above. Here I have number 2 lever all the way open and then close, and this is the third guideline that I'm making. Here I'm using clipper over comb technique to blend side to the top. This is 1.5 lever all the way open, and I'll be using this to blend. Now you already know it's time for detailing. first side, starting second, and I'll be doing the same steps, going through same system as the other side. I'll let you guys follow and try guessing my next steps. any off the top, so I only cut the hair that was hanging on the back. Here I am stepping up his beard and trimming it down a little bit. Here I am doing the same but using comb. Using hot towel will help to soft hair and will be much more easier to line up later. I will be using Beam Team XL air compressor to make lineup pop more and fuller. Once you're done with air compressor, you want to go back with razor and line up to make sure that it's still crispy and sharp line. When I'm styling someone with longer hair and they want pompadour or comb over, I like to put some product first and dry his hair and go back with product again and then style it as client wants. Putting a little bit of product before drying hair will help the hair to stay in place as you dry. This is before the cut. And here comes the after cut. Sorry guys, I didn't get to take different video angles. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram at Umes the Barber. Peace.